everybody, it's Baylee with Harvest Helper. I'm in Las Vegas, Nevada for the 2019 MJBiz conference. There's a big group of people out there that need tabletop trimmers.
Yes.
This seems to be the one.
Yes.
Give me the rundown.
Absolutely. So, I mean, you look at the home grow market or even just the small grow market, this machine is incredible. It uses the same technology as all of our other machines. So that kind of differentiates us from some of our competitors in that regard. When you look at their lower capacity trimmers, their smaller capacity trimmers, they're using a bit of a different format, different technology, different warranties for the smaller machines. We still back this one with a 10-year warranty. We back all of our trimmers with. So this is just a great machine. It pounds through material. You can run anywhere from, sometimes people have said 5 to 10 pounds per hour dry material.
Like really heavy duty.
Yeah, it can run up to 30 pounds per hour wet. It's an amazing machine. Yeah. And yeah, if you try to lift it, you can see like this thing is well built.
Yeah.
Right? You could hurl this off a balcony probably. Don't do that. But probably survive it. I've actually seen pictures of our machines surviving grow fires. So it just shows you how well built they are.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool little paint job.